MediEvil for PlayStation 4, everything you need to know, Android Central. Metro Vancouver Bus, SeaBus drivers issue 72-hour strike notice, Global News. Has Tim Hortons become uncool? Why the iconic chain doesn't appeal to younger generation, National Post. Volkswagen ramps up China electric car factories, taking aim at Tesla, CNBC. Overwatch 2 rumors gain momentum with new leaked image featuring Echo, PC Gamer. Download Google Pixel 2, 3, and 4 wallpapers in 4K for your desktop, Android Authority. WestJet reports higher profit despite carrying fewer passengers, Business News, Castanet.net. U.S. shale braces for brutal earnings season, oilprice.com. New low-cost Canadian airline delays launch over lack of investors, CBC.ca. Elon Musk said he wishes Tesla's Model 3 was cheaper, even though customers weren't that interested in its least expensive version, Business Insider.